Hello everybody, welcome to bellscb. Going a tune-up report today on the Connex CX-36HPF. This is for Steve in Texas. Alright, we're going to use the tone generator again today. I've got the mic gain turned all the way down so we can look at dead keys first. Alright, forgot we have a Nitro Knob job here, as you can see, and it's controlled by the dimmer as well. And let's check it out over here since we're transmitting already. 10 watts in high power. Let me turn it all the way down to low power. There's low power, 1 watt to 10 watts. All right, no modulation. Okay, now if I turn the modulation all the way up, let's spin that one. There we go. All right, we see we're 100% modulated. We see about 39, almost 40 watts. Okay, and if I bring the power all the way down, see my power, it's a 100 watt slug, so that's 10, that's all the way down to 3 watts there. You see with the power all the way down, there's our modulation all the way down and all the way up. All right. Alright, so now let's take that thing out of there. Turn that off. Yeah, I'm going to put a microphone in. See if there's any differences here. This is what I was showing you last week. The audio limiter is a little bit slow when you're using voice frequencies from a tone generator. Alright. So you can see here, audio, big again, audio, check, audio, a little closer to 50 watts now, check, audio, and it overmods a little because the audio limiter is really slow. It's never fast enough to catch it. But if you give it a second, it catches it and puts it in check. All right, what else we got to show you here? Nitro Knobs, power levels, peak power. I guess that's it. Guess we won't be talking any skip today. No, I'm not going to try to talk on the Super Bowl. They won't let me talk. Ain't no one out there to talk to. Hey, breaker 19 for a radio check. Turn on my top back here. How about at 19's my radio getting out? Come on. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. That talkback's not loud enough. Let me go in and fix that right after this video. We'll make that talkback a little more audible. All right, here you go, everyone. Have a good one.